In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error that you get on ChatGPT, which says too many concurrent requests. So if you have tried multiple times and it shows you this error, here's how you can quickly fix that. So most likely this issue is caused by the cache problem in your browser. So if your cache is problematic, ChatGPT might think that so many requests are going on in the background. So to reset that or to correct that, what we do is just click on the URL, and besides this address, you will see this lines here. This is the settings. Click on that and we go to the site settings. And from here, we will choose delete data. So what this will do is you will be signed out of the ChatGPT as well, or out of any current site that you're opened with. And this will clear the cache as well. So as you can see here, all data and cookies stored by ChatGPT will be deleted. So click on delete. And after that, just close Chrome and close all the tabs that is open, especially for ChatGPT. And then just try to sign in again. It will be logged out, so you need to sign in again. And once you are logged back in, everything should work perfectly fine. So as you can see that now ChatGPT is responding properly without giving us an error. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.